A great diversity of wildlife was captured on trail camera footage at the Audubon Sanctuary at 6 1/2 Station in southeastern New York, like this bobcat. A red-tailed fox, probably hunting for many of the same small animals that the bobcat was hunting for, was captured on the trail camera during both the day and the night. Raccoons represented a third species of carnivorous mammal which was hunting along the shoreline. White-tailed deer, both males which were starting to develop their antlers and females, walked the trails both day and night in search of plant material and water to drink. Muskrats, under the cover of darkness, were able to hunt for both plant material and small animals to eat. Great blue herons could be observed walking the shoreline looking for small animals to prey upon. While great blue herons can migrate south, they can remain in our area, including during the entire winter, as long as they can find food in open water. By mid-autumn, this sanctuary could have over 400 waterfowl visiting it at a time from a dozen different species. By late November, both the numbers and diversity of species had decreased, although as you can see, this sanctuary is still an important stopping point for many species of waterfowl during their migration. By this point in the season, most of the visitors are Canada geese and mallard ducks, which feed on the aquatic vegetation as they store up energy. While some, both Canada geese and mallards, may remain throughout the winter, many will migrate farther south. During October and early November, the most abundant species of waterfowl were green-winged teals. These small ducks prefer mudflats and shallow water, where they can use sieve-like projections known as lamellae to filter small animals and plant material and seeds from the water. Green-winged teals can remain as long as there is open water in the colder weather. And here you can see groups of them feeding at the sanctuary. Black ducks were also present, although not in as great a quantity as had been observed earlier in autumn. At this point of the season, many species have already migrated south, and one of the remaining species are Canadian geese. These Canadian geese may remain as resident in our area, or if the water freezes, they may continue farther south or find other bodies of open water such as streams or areas near the Delaware River. They can continue to feed on plant material even on land so that they can seek refuge in the water at night from predators. And as you can see from these videos, they can remain active even in darkness. Also, there may be some courtship and some defending of lifelong mates, as you can see in this video. Finally, the trail camera also picked up yours truly wading in the mud along the shoreline, trying to pick up the seeds of the invasive plant species water chestnut. You can barely make them out as the small tan objects there. And in just a small area, I was able to pick up over 1,200 of these seeds. I was proud of the accomplishment, but this was minuscule compared to the number of seeds which was found in other areas along the shoreline. So I'm not quite sure to what degree we will be able to control this invasive species.